What is up YouTube? It's your girl Stormialena back at it again with another video. So in today's video, we're gonna attempt this clean girl makeup look. My version, okay? Let's start. Start with clean bare face, no moisturizer or anything. Put on brown contact lenses. Use one pump of Langmanni foundation to spot concealer dark areas. Put foundation on the darkest areas of your face first to concentrate the coverage. Blend with fingers only to help the product melt with your natural skin. I really recommend this foundation because you get 3 products in one. This is already primer, foundation, and concealer. So you get that full makeup effect with the price of one. The best part of it is it feels very light, like wearing no makeup at all. See the difference? It looks like my skin but better. So this is what it looks like with full face of foundation. Next, let's proceed to our eyebrows. Use a duo lash glue to laminate your brows. Brush your brows on an upward stroke and then let the glue be tacky. Then add a little bit more glue to get that more bushy effect. Then style to your liking. This is how our eyebrows look so far. Diba? Super nice. Next, let's use this Spotlight Mega Hit Pro Defining Pen to draw fake eyebrows and fill in the bald spots of our eyebrows. Extend your tail a little bit longer to make the illusion that you have a smaller face. This is how our eyebrows look so far. Diba? Super nice and all. Let's get some powder and bake our face. At the same time, contour. So sculpt your cheekbone and make sure it's perfect. Then put the extra product on your neck and blend with brush. Next, let's contour our cheekbone a little bit more. Get some product, dust it off, and contour by tapping motion only. Don't swipe because we want that subtle, even, contoured, snatched look. Then let's proceed to our nose contour. Just draw 2 parallel lines together and then blend it out, making sure there's no harsh lines. Next, get a small eyebrow blending brush and then get some highlighter and highlight the high points of your nose. Next, moving on to blush, use a cream blush, not a powder blush, because we don't want the blush to mattify our face. We still want that glowy natural look. So yeah. Next, let's use this Mega Hit Spotlight pen to draw some fake freckles. Then blur it out using our fingers. Next, it's time for us to dust off the powder that we used to contour our cheekbone. Next, curl your lashes and then get the Spotlight Mega Hit Brow Pen and draw some eyeliner. To do this, follow the natural shape of your eyes and then extend a little bit more and draw a small triangle and fill it in. To draw the inner eyeliner, follow the natural shape of your eyes and then drag it a little bit down. Then make a small triangle and fill it in. Comment down below if you want me to make a detailed video about this eyeliner. Let's proceed to our eyelashes. First, see where do you want to put your eyelashes and then cut off the excess. I usually use 3/4 of these lashes and also make sure that the lash band is soft to make it a little bit more easier to maneuver. Next, it's time for our mascara. So I just use this one, but I don't recommend it because it's all over the place after 1 hour of wearing my makeup and it ruined my makeup. So I toss it on the trash can. Comment down any mascara recommendation that do not smudge. Next, let's proceed to our eyelashes. So I always put it halfway and then follow the direction of my eyeliner to get that cat eye-ish look. Next, let's just put on lip balm and then lip gloss and we're done. So this is my version of clean girl makeup look, but a lot of you are commenting this is not a clean girl makeup look. So yeah, whatever. This is the makeup look that I come up with. So yeah. I really like this look on me. Anyways, it's fresh, it's light, it's different version of Elena May. It's like the good girl version of Elena May. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Buyers.